docuBridge has a secure integrated document management system for version and access control for all regulatory documents relating to your intellectual property. Simply drag and drop files from the Window Explorer to the docuBridge Explorer. Fill in the required properties and, if applicable, apply to all documents before clicking OK. The files are added to the system. Documents can be versioned in the system either by copying them or uploading new versions. Documents can be securely edited in the system prior to being locked. Access control is managed via standard workflow, which enables files to be distributed or locked as required by the process. Creating and compiling a submission is easy once all the documents have been uploaded. Simply go to the main menu and select New Application. The New Application dialog appears. Select a template, fill in all the required information, and click Create. Open your new submission and position your windows so that both the submissions and docuBridge Explorer can be seen. Filter for PDF files only, select all the files to be compiled, and drag and drop them to the compilation pane. The system tells you how many files there are to be compiled. Click Compile, and seconds later all of your files are compiled into the eCTD conform format, ready for you to quality control. Do the same for the other modules and you will have a fully compiled submission in seconds. Module 5, complete with the required study directories, literature references, and Module 4 studies as required. Module 2 with the matching complexity of Module 3 quality, and Module 1 with all the required regional documents. All that is left to do is to open the envelope, fill in the required administrative information, and our compilation is complete, ready for quality control. Hyperlinking has never been so easy and intuitive. Simply drag and drop the document from the outline to the location on the page that needs to be linked, and you will quickly have a list of hyperlinks completed. To interact with the hyperlinks, activate the Interact mode and click on the links. Sometimes a hyperlink needs to go to a page other than page 1, or to a specific location on a page. We activate the link function, and we simply draw the link around the text where it is required. The hyperlink will jump to the location on the page designated. Once all quality control and hyperlinking has been completed, we are ready to publish. In the main menu, select the option Publish. There are 3 publishing options: Pre-Flight Publishing, Test Publishing, and Final Publishing. We will select the Final Publishing option. A publishing dialog appears. Output will be sent to the Final Publishing repository. We activate the working documents and click Publish. We can track the publishing progress from our info panel. This will give us a running status of the publishing process. Once the publishing is completed, we can see all is fine via the green Closed. We can have a closer look at the validation report created by the integrated validator by clicking on the link. The validation report shows no best practice and no pass-fail validation issues for our automatically compiled content. Creating a response or variation to our initial submission is just as easy. To create a new sequence, we simply need to right-click and copy as New Sequence. The Copy as New Sequence dialog appears. Fill in the information required and click Copy. Search and display the documents needed for the new sequence. New documents will be compiled using the lifecycle operation New. Documents that have been properly versioned will be compiled using the lifecycle operation Replace. We set up the screens again for compilation. Select all the files needed for the compilation and drag and drop them to the compilation pane. Click Compile. Activate the Delta view and expand the outline to see the lifecycle compilation. Only content added or replaced in the new sequence is displayed. New documents of Module 1 have been added using the lifecycle operation New, whereas new versions have been added using the lifecycle operation Replace. All that is left to do is to update the envelope and publish as we did with the initial sequence. Compiling submissions has never been this fast and easy. Contact us for more details.